This is a capstone. Compliant functional testing. So in this case, this capstone equation. Capstone lesson. Capstone lesson. This is for the capstone lesson. Capstone lesson, you can read here. This is a read through the capstone lesson. The verification and safety testing. Those are all the verification and the safety testing regarding the electrical capstone. So you also have to read through those notes. So this is what the G105 you have to do. And regarding the advanced diploma electrical engineering, you have to see this side. Then put it down. Finally, you got the electrical diploma 2022. So click electrical diploma 2022. Then you go down and see the YouTube video lesson. YouTube video lesson for electrical engineering lesson. Then you click the lesson. You have to do the H11, H13, H25, H26, and H045. So go down to our electronic units. So go down here and then you see the H011. Okay, H011 is a basic analog and digital electronics. So that is a DC power supply. So if you don't highlight computer.com/video lesson.pdf, so that you have to study the base 374 to 377 and you view the video. And H013 is an amplifier. So highlight computer.com/video lesson.pdf, so that base 378 to 386. Those are the written notes and you view the video. And also the power electronics, H025 single phase operation, so the H026 is multiple phase. So in this case, you have to study highlight computer.com/video lesson.pdf, so that study the base 387 to 403 and you have to view the whole video. And also the H026 electromagnetic control, so the highlight computer.com/video lesson.pdf, you will study the base 404 to 415 and also view the video. Another thing is H045, analog electronics. Analog electronics, so the highlight computer.com/video lesson.pdf. So you have to study the base 416 to 428 and then you view all the video. So this is the way you have to study.